I use these 3 themes for customization. All themes are in the Chinese store. Of course, you can install these themes on global device. I created a backup containing these 3 themes. You can find backup file in video description. Use this backup to restore these themes on your devices. You can use these themes individually or custom themes like this with me. First, apply this theme. Your device look like this. Pixel icon pack style. Apply all of applications on phone. Home screen clock widget change color according to dark mode or light mode. Lock screen custom theme. Press to change to English. Many clock style you can choose on lock screen. Custom color palette. Press for more settings. This option to change lock screen wallpaper. Select wallpaper from your phone. Swipe right to more custom color. Color inversion. Return to customize theme screen. Select status bar, then apply this theme. Status bar changed. Support hyperos. Next, favorites tray, choose rocks theme to apply. Back gesture effect changed. Remove this widget, then bring return pixel material widget. Next, change home screen wallpaper. Install Pixel Live Wallpaper link in video description. Open Play Store, install Activity Launcher app. Open app, search Live Wallpaper in this list. Create home screen shortcut. If you don't see this shortcut, set allow permissions of Activity Launcher. Set home screen shortcuts always allow. Open shortcut, select this live wallpaper to apply in home screen. Next, set always on display. Custom image, then select this file in video description. Completed custom theme. All of file to custom in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.